Okay, so we are very grateful. I am very grateful because of look at all the dishes, all the food apa semua. Ini ialah ihsan courtesy daripada One World Hotel. I'm trying out the kway teow. Okay. Dekat dalam menu ni, kway teow dia cakap is the best selling lah.
Ya ke?
Okay, ini ada spicy. Okay, let's try. Memang sedap, memang best. This is the char kway teow ya. Tapi to those who are not very spicy apa semua kan, this char kway teow pun memang sebenarnya sesuai untuk korang order. Just nice saja. Okay, this is a mac and cheese. Ooh la la! It's cheesy. It's melting. Not in the mouth, but we're gonna try this out. Okay. Okay, this is super. This is very fantastic. So nice. Terima kasih One World Hotel kerana memberi support yang tidak terhingga kepada tim Kena Kupas. Thank you very much.